Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up active trader Thinkorswim. First, launch the Thinkorswim platform and securely log into your trading account. Once inside, navigate to the main interface and find the active trader gadget. This tool is essential for quick order entry. Simply add this component to your preferred trading layout to begin customizing your active trading experience. This initial step ensures you have the core functionality ready for use. Now let's configure your active trader. Begin by selecting the specific stock or option symbol you wish to trade. You can type it directly into the symbol box. Next, adjust your desired quantity and choose an appropriate order type, such as market or limit. It's crucial to understand the bid, ask, and last price columns, as these provide real-time market data essential for informed decisions. This setup prepares you for efficient order placement. To optimize your workflow, customize the columns to display only the market data most relevant to your strategy. Consider adding volume or percentage change. Next, set up hotkeys for rapid order entry and cancellation. This can save valuable seconds. With your settings in place, you can now place and manage orders directly from the active trader interface, executing trades with precision and speed. This customization enhances your trading efficiency. For advanced trading, consider utilizing bracket orders to automate profit-taking and stop losses, which helps manage risk effectively. Regularly review your trade history and performance metrics to identify patterns and refine your strategy. This continuous analysis is key to improvement. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Mastering these features will significantly enhance your active trading capabilities on Thinkorswim, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.